In a bowl, add 130 grams of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar, 2 cups of flour. Add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of milk. Add vanilla extract to taste. Add 200 grams of fresh strawberries. Bake it in a preheated oven on 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And here is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. See you guys in my next one. Bye!